Is someone eggs like some sir?
Yeah.
All right, like.
Take care.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into CapCut PC, and that's because CapCut PC has been supercharged with Seedance 2.5. With Seedance 2.5, you can generate native 30-second AI videos, use multiple reference assets. Seedance 2.0 made you ask whether AI could do it. Seedance 2.5 makes you ask what story you want to tell, moving AI video from generating clips toward completing full creative stories. Okay, to follow along and use CapCut PC, just click the link in the description and pin comment below as always. Let's come over to download for free. Okay, here we go. I've got CapCut PC all fired up on my desktop. We've got AI video, AI image, extend video, AI edit, and a bunch of other features within the AI powered creative suite. But I'm going to come right over to AI video. And as we can see, we've got Seedance 2.5 is available. Now this is going to be like a built-in video editor right within the platform. Now on the left-hand side, I'm just under generate. We've got Dramina Seedance 2.5 selected right here. So that is awesome. All right, now for the first demo, I'm going to go with an AI short film. I want to make a cinematic AI short film scene, and I'm going to take advantage of Seedance 2.5's 30-second generation ability, which is crazy long. Okay, here's my prompt. Now it is quite long. I want to go with a cinematic 30-second sci-fi sequence about a lone astronaut exploring an abandoned research base on a frozen planet. Of course, strong character consistency, environmental continuity, and a cold cinematic visual tone throughout. Go ahead and leave all the prompts in the description below, but what you're going to see here is I'm establishing what I want for each shot by shot. So for example, the first shot, going with a wide cinematic establishing shot. Okay, I'm just going to minimize this prompt box. Let's come over to our settings. We've got our model selected. That's awesome. Let's open this up. Want to go with 30 seconds. I'm going 720p, 16:9, one generation. Okay, let's go ahead and click on generate. Okay, it looks like the model has followed our direction to a T. Now, my experience in using Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.5, you can get very specific about what you want shot by shot. So I definitely recommend writing your prompts just like I did. And again, you can find those in the description below. Now, the really nice thing about CapCut PC is now we have our generation within our timeline. So we can go ahead and make edits and revisions if we wish. So I can scrub through the timeline just like this. We've got a bunch of different options at the very top. We've got AI extend, so we can drag or extend the clip from either end. AI edit, we can edit images and videos just by describing what we want. Split screens, remove background, auto adjust. We can enhance the quality. With my clip selected in the timeline, I'm gonna come right over to AI extend. So let's do this. We can click the icon at either end of your clip, then drag or tell AI how to extend it. With AI extend selected, I'm gonna hover my mouse over and click on AI extend right here. Okay, I have an optional note where I can explain how I want this extension to look like. We have our model selected as well, the quality, and how long. So we can actually extend this all the way another 30 seconds, which is crazy, crazy stuff. I'm gonna scrub through the timeline. So we have kind of a close-up shot. All right, so what I'm thinking is an extreme close-up, and it's a shot of the astronaut's eyes within their helmet visor. And we're gonna see a soft blue from the mysterious object in front of them, illuminating their face. Okay, I'm gonna go 8 seconds long. Let's submit. And since I'm already working within this timeline, I think I have the perfect song to drag and drop right here in the timeline. Okay, I'm just gonna trim the clip by pulling it in, and I'm gonna drop this down a little bit, maybe -6, something like that. Let's have a listen. last demo, let's test out AAA level realism to really see how good the cinematic quality truly is with this model. Okay, here's my prompt. Once again, this is going to be in the description below. I'm going for a woman that leaves a relaxed summer gathering at a lakeside cabin, walks to the dock, and joyfully dives into the lake to join her friends. So let's give this one a go.
I think your is so many like some sir. Yeah.
I write like so much and take care.
Take care.
Okay, with my clip selected in the timeline, I'm going to come over to AI Edit right here. Let's open it up. Change the environment from evening to nighttime. Keep everything else the same.
I think is so many like some sir.
I write like so much and take care.
Take care.
So to export, just come over to the top right. Then you can adjust all the settings like resolution, format, frame rate, and let's hit export. So overall, Seedance 2.5 within the CapCut PC platform feels a lot more than just AI video generating. For storytelling, you can generate longer 30-second scenes and extend them, which is a massive jump from the 15-second limit of Seedance 2.0. You go from idea to generation to editing and refinement and then final output. So be sure to click the link below in the description below to try out CapCut PC for yourself. Then just download the platform, open a new project, and test the full workflow out for yourself. And with all that, good luck and have fun with your creations.